Exposing the secret weapons in manga reading, these 10 extensions are game changers for every Mihon and Tachiyomi fan. After the shutdown, the community got creative. Let's see what's working now. Early 2024, the official Tachiyomi extensions shut down. But don't worry, the manga community bounced back with some amazing forks and new sources. Ready for the essentials? Let's go. Number 1. Manga Dex. Massive library, tons of languages, and always up to date. Next, Manga Life for those crisp, high-quality scans. Manganato, huge collection, easy to browse. Comic brings you rare, hidden gems from all over. Love Manhwa? Asura Scans and Flame Scans both deliver speedy updates on the hottest webtoons. TCB Scans, perfect for staying current with big shonen hits. Manga C offers lightning-fast releases in a super clean layout. Toonali's your pick for mature and webtoon-style titles. And last, Bato's diverse haul includes colored comics and underrated series. Want the latest extensions? Check the community GitHub page for updates and never miss a chapter again.